Finally, I received a free gift from Temu online shop. Come, let's unbox this. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Keep watching.
Yeah, this is Chikwado Space Channel.
Shop like a millionaire. That is a free gift from Temu online shop. So guys, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. Thank you for stopping by. Today is going to be a quick review, a quick unboxing from Temu. I got a free gift finally from on Temu online shop. You all know that if you are watching my channel for a long time now, you know that I've been buying from Temu with my money and unboxing and making a review for Temu products. I make a series of Temu unboxing and review. So last 2 weeks ago or thereabout, I received an email and they said that they saw a video I made on unboxing or review I made and they love it so much, and because of that they want to, if I can collab with them to be a Temu influencer. Guys, I say, what is that, a dream or what? Although I've been receiving a series of emails of collab from many companies, makeup on different types of companies. They are coming for me to collab with them to use their products and make a review and unbox them and just show my audience. But whenever I charge them, you will see them, they run away, guys. They don't want to spend money, but they want people to use their product and show their audience, guys. So this time around I say, let me try, because let's see if it's going to be like what I've been seeing. So I click on I saw their logo very well, because before I click on any link, I have to be sure, be very careful. Don't click on any link you see, guys. So I clicked, and that was through Temu. They took me to the website like that and asked me to register for Temu influencer. I have to be getting their products and also unboxing them, reviewing them, and also posting it also on in the website there. And I'll be getting maybe some cash here. And also I will be also referring to people. If you are here, you want to be a Temu influencer, you want to review their products, you want to unbox their free gifts, but sometimes you cannot as well use your money and buy, but they have to first of all give you the free gift, free like some money. You can pick some products on their website, on their shop, then you can come and review it, unbox it with your audience. From there you add a link. Some people may buy, some people may fall in love with your review and what they saw or what they see, and they may patronize you, or from Temu patronize Temu. From there you may make some cash, a cool cash. You may get even 800 euro or dollars per month, depends on how resilient you are. Okay, so let me not to waste a lot of times. This is a free gift from Temu, and this is the worth of 25 euro. I received a 25 euro cash to get a product from them, and which I got here. Let's see what is inside here, and after that I will tell you some story. Don't go away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video, and also check the link I'm going to add in the description below, in case if you want to be with them, to be a Temu influencer. So this is what I got. Boom! I got this. I got 3 things, guys. I got this also, and I got this. I choose this, guys, and nothing more here. this worth of 25 euros, guys. So let's unbox and see what is inside it. First of all, let's start with this, the small one here. I saw this and I got it because of my baby girls, and also for me. Yeah, also for me, this is things you can use to style your hair, your baby girl's hair. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Can use it to pack their hair. Look at it. A lot here. It's more than 40 here or 50 here. Look at it. And this also you can use it to style your baby girls their hair. This is a hair packer or hair band. A lot of them here. And here also you can use it to pack your baby girls, design their hair, to pack their hair. Yeah, so this is the white band you can use to make their hair, guys. Look at it. And this is also, see, a lot of things inside this part. There's a lot of things. This is also a comb you can use to take hair when making. Look and see it here, taking hair when making hair. This is what you can use to, you know, now if you are a hairdresser, you know this, what you can use to fancy hair when after making. The same thing with this too. So guys, this is for this. Many of you know they have also black for this, but this is white. You can use it to make their small tiny hair. And this. So without wasting much of your time, let me just open one of these for you to see what is inside this. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. Let's do it a little bit faster. Okay, look at this. I love this. You can use it to pack hair. Like if I want to hold this my hair now, I can use it to hold it. Okay, just to pack your hair. So you can use it to pack your baby girl's hair. Okay, and just like this, we have here, we have like 4 of them here, different colors, and so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. Okay, and let me show you this also before I go to other things I have here. And you can see this, like, how many colors did I have here? They have like here 3 colors. So you can, if you are making hair, you can use it to make their hair. You can as well use it to as well pack hair like this. You see this hair now? Maybe I'm cooking, I don't want this thing to cover my face. I can use it to pack it. You see it? This is so beautiful. So and they have a lot of it inside here. Use it to pack your baby hair, your baby girl's hair, and the rest of it. So, and let's see this. We still have 2 here. Our free gift from Temu. So let's open this. A hair straightener. Let me see. Hair straightener brush. 5 minute styling on the go. That's the name. You see it again. And so, okay, let's see what is inside it. Oh, boom. I've seen many people getting this. Oh my goodness, you can as well charge it. It has a charger. Oh my goodness, look at what is inside it. They have also comb, pencil mount comb. They have also hair band. They have also what you can plug this with. And yeah, they have 2 hair bands, yes, with wonderful, beautiful color. I love pink. You guys know I love pink and a lot. I love pink. And this, okay. And let's see what is here. Let's open Let's open hair straightener brush. Boom! Guys, do you see it? Look at how it looks. It looks like this. So like you are going to plug this. Oh, it's on. Look at it. It's on. You can on it here. You see, on, off, on, off. You can on here and off it. So this is how you're going to charge. Let's see where to charge it here. You can charge it here. You plug it here and as well put it in there and charge it. After charging it, then you can make use of it. Look at how it is. You plug it. After charging, you can use it to straighten your hair. So no need, because now I'm not near where I can plug it. I'm going to make a review again. This is unboxing. I'm going to make a review after this video and show you how it works, guys. So that is how it looks like. So the last but not the least here is this. Boom. Ooh. This is hair, guys. This is hair. This is hair with wig cap, guys. Hair with wig cap. Oh my goodness. Look at the wig cap. I love the color. I love the color of the wig cap, guys. Look at it. So, oh, 2 wig caps. They have 2 wig caps. 2 of them. So without wasting time, let's see how the wig looks like. A lot of wigs. Chikwado space. A lot of wigs. Can this size me? I don't know. This is looks small. I don't know if this can size me, but I'm going to try it with you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is my brush. I used to brush my wig. Aha. Okay. Without wasting time, let me try it with you guys. I'm going to remove my wig now and wear it and see how, if at all, it's going to size me. It looks small. It also have here, look at, it has an inner comb. It has comb here. I don't know if you can see it. It have comb here. It have comb here. It has also, yeah, 2 combs. So let's see if this will size me, and this will bring out my color. I think so. So I'm going to remove my wig. Close your eyes. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to remove this my wig. So guys, if you are watching me, this wig I'm wearing now is the wig I unboxed last time. I say I got from TikTok. There are 3 in 1. So that's the wig. Is so beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. It's so light and that fits me. You can see. So let's try this Temu wig, if it's going to size me. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is like skin. Will I call it skin wig? Just looks like skin. Just rent it out. This fits me? Does it fit me? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like how it makes my face? Do you like how it looks on my face? Did it fit me? Do you give me a good look? I did not make up, guys. I make only lipping stiff. I think if I make up this, I'm going to rock it. I love it. It is my size. I love it because this is my size. Whenever maybe heat time, I don't want to wear something that is warm, I'm going to wear it and rock my summer. Look at it, guys. It looks good. Temu, thank you so much for this wonderful gift. Shop like a millionaire. Thank you so much, Temu. So, bye.